In 3.4 number 7, you have this function. Your job is to find the derivative of this function f prime of x. So if you look at the function, you will see that this actually is a product of two functions. So one is e to the negative x, the other one is square root of x. So before I apply the product rule, I advise you to rewrite square root of x into a power form, so x raised to 1/2. So now you treat this as your first function, and this is your second function. When you find the derivative of the f, so according to the rule, it will be the derivative of the first function. So you're going to find the derivative of the first function times the second function, which is x to the 1/2, plus the first function times the derivative of the second function, right? X to the 1/2, the derivative of x to the 1/2. Now the derivative of the first function here, e to the negative x, is just negative e to the negative x. Why so? Because this is your k. The negative x can be considered as -1 times x. So the derivative of e to the kx is k times e to the kx. So in this case, the -1 comes to the front, right? So that's what it is. So I'm going to write this back. Times x to the 1/2, which is the same as square root of x, right? Equals e to the negative x. Now you can feel that we can apply power rule to find the derivative of x to the 1/2. So it is going to be 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1, subtract the power by 1, and now you have negative e to the negative x times square root of x plus 1/2. I'll write the constant to the front, and e to the negative x times, so now this turns out to be x to the -1/2, right? And which means 1 over x to the 1/2, which is square root of x. So I just write that into this form. So this is the derivative of